question I've been asked a few times is the ability to use DWG files within BIM 360, and what happens when multiple people try and open up the file itself. Well, we've always been able to lock the file. We'd have to open the file and then lock it, and then when we finished editing the file, we could then unlock the file. But this can be forgotten, and it's not an automatic routine. Now, the first thing we'd need to do is we'd actually have to use the desktop connector. This is essential, to be honest, to be working with BIM 360. Once we've got desktop connector installed, we could then go to the Autodesk App Store, and if we search for file locking, we'll find file locking for BIM 360. Now this really takes only a few seconds to install. It's only a 1.2 megabyte file, and it comes from Autodesk themselves. Now once this is installed, if we then run AutoCAD, and if we go to open files, and because we've got the desktop connector installed, we'll see the BIM 360 area on our desktop. Choose the correct hub and project, and then find the DWG file that we want to open. Once we've opened this file, if we go back to BIM 360 and we quickly refresh, you'll see the padlock appears on that file, telling us it's actually locked. This doesn't stop other people opening the file. They can open it, but it will be read-only. If we then go back to AutoCAD and close the file, then back into BIM 360 again, quickly refresh, and we see the file is actually unlocked. So that's the App Store file locking for BIM 360.